Are you ready to explore how eAuditor transforms aircraft pre-flight inspections? This video outlines the critical process of ensuring aircraft safety and operational readiness using a digital solution. Discover how eAuditor enhances inspections from start to finish. Performing inspections with eAuditor ensures thoroughness and efficiency. The platform enables real-time data collection and automatic report generation. It transforms paper-based inspections into a digital workflow. This enhances safety and reduces operational risks. Compliance with regulations is assured. Start with confirming aircraft details like tail number and maintenance needs. Use eAuditor's scanning feature to capture identification details. Input flight information such as flight date and tail number. This ensures the right aircraft is inspected. The setup is crucial for a successful inspection. Examine the fuselage, wings, and tail for damage or missing parts. Use eAuditor's checklist to document findings with photos. Check tire pressure, tread wear, and landing gear integrity. Verify fuel and oil levels meet operational needs. Document any deficiencies found. Test all exterior lights, including navigation and landing lights. Verify cockpit indicators and instruments are operational. Ensure flight controls are free from obstruction. Move control surfaces to verify free movement. Document any non-functioning components for repair. Inspect engine components for damage or leaks. Test engine components to ensure proper function. Verify safety equipment like fire extinguishers and life vests are present and functional. Confirm emergency exits are accessible. Document equipment condition thoroughly. By using eAuditor, inspections are streamlined and safety is enhanced. Accurate records are maintained, ensuring regulatory compliance. A safer flight experience is achieved for all.